Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna continue the challenge that I started yesterday. So hopefully we can solve for all the cases, right? Because last time we we could solve the examples, but we didn't solve all the test cases. So right now I'm going to try one more time. So let's do it. So basically the challenge is to merge two sorted lists. So we have two lists that it's already sorted, both of them, and we have to merge it and keep it sorted, right? So we need to have a pointer to the head and sort a new list. So um, I remember that we created the head and the current node and two pointers for the one for the list one and the other for the list two. I don't remember exactly what I was doing here, but I think I want to um, start all of this again because it's here where the problem is, right? So this logic that is not working. So I want to comment this out and try to improve it. So let's return the head. Okay. Okay. So we have the head, we have the current node, and we have both pointers. So let me check here one more time. So we can have the head pointing to one of these two. We would need to check which one to point that and then iterate through all of that, right? But also I think I think we can maybe create a dummy node. So I think we can maybe create a dummy node. So maybe we can have like that. Let's see, list node. Um, it's a dummy node. Maybe what is the constraints? What is the minus 100 and 100? Um, I don't know. Minus 101 maybe. And then current node should be pointing to the head, right? Okay, then considering that, we have to return the head. No, but the head has a dummy node, so we need. So okay, so let's point it out. So essentially, what I was returning is the head, then node one, node two, and so on, right? So the idea right here is to the um, so actually the head would be like that: node one, node two, node three, and so on. Node three, and so on. So the idea here is to the head be like dummy node, And then we have node 1, node 2, node 3, and so on, right? Um, so instead of returning the node 1 that had already, like we did, we need to return the next one, right? So instead of doing that, we need to do like that, right? Yeah, I think that's the case. So right here should be new, the answer for all of them, because list node, the head, the dummy head, doesn't have any next. So let's put that, let's view that. So I'll keep the same logic. So while this. Now the good thing is that without having a new head and having to set this while iterating through the list, we don't need to check for the head all the time because I remember that I was doing that. So we check the head all the time. We don't need to do that. So right now we just have to iterate. We just have to check the case if this is new and this is not, the case where this is new and this is not, and the case where both are not new, right? So let's start with the first case, pointer list one. Let's copy. Uh, so if this is new, it's the first case. Then we're going to continue. Okay, if pointer 2 is new, then we need to continue. And if um, then if okay, if both are new, the while will not iterate, right? So the cases are just one, it's new or none, right? Okay, so if list one is new, this is the case. If list two is new, this is the case. If it's not new, then we need to check which one is the lower one, right? So if pointer list one, pointer list one dot value is less than pointer list two dot value, then for this case we have to put the pointer list one, right? If it's not, if it's low, if it's higher or equal, we can have the pointer list two here. And that's good. That's okay. So for the first one, okay, if it's new, then then we need to put pointer list two here, right? So the current node, I want to mistype that. So the current node, it's it will be equal to, no, actually the current node dot next will be equal to pointer list 2, that case, right? Pointer list 2, it will be equal to pointer list 2 dot next, and the current node to be equal to current node dot next, right? Yeah, I think that's it. The for here it will be this one, this one, and this one. And for here we need to add the list one here and the list two here, right? Mm, okay, so we'll take that. Okay, okay, okay. Let's this line, also this line. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's check. Okay, what's going on here? Line 38, the value of optional type int must be unwrapped of a. Ah, okay. Um, okay, so this needs to be unwrapped in order to check, right? Because we cannot compare new with new. If new is lower than new, and that's possible here. So, but yeah, if we are already doing these two ifs, so we can consider that both are. Oh, it's missing an option here. Is that it? Is that the issue? No. Yeah, indeed, it's the possibility of new here. But since we are already checking here and here, I think we can force unwrap this, right? I can also use a guard let or something, but I don't think it's necessary. I think we can do it like that. I don't like to force wrap. Just a few cases that I consider that, but uh, but yeah, I think for this one it's safe. Let's see. All right, it's working, and let's check. Let's submit. Okay, guys, we did it. Let me just remove this. So I'm probably doing some wrong logic right here. Probably not right. I was doing some wrong logic because it was fading for some test. So yeah, let me see if I can improve that a little bit. So we have here big O of n, right? Big O of n because we have only one while. And here we are iterating through the entire list, both lists, right? So Um, yeah, I think that's it. I think the solution is good enough. Tell me in the comments, guys, if you find some better solution for this. I don't know, but I think this is pretty decent. Um, and yeah, thank you guys. Hope you like it, and please subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.